security, and emergency services.
Vehicles in 2050 are very advanced in terms of safety. The car itself detects accidents and immediately notifies emergency services and family. The car's AI understands the signals and takes quick action to reduce risks. In addition, the car's security system provides strong protection against hacking or data theft. Passengers' personal information is kept at the highest level of security.
Changes in regional and rural transportation systems.
The transportation system of 2050 has brought about a huge change not only in cities, but also in villages and small towns. Autonomous drones, small self-driving cars, and smart ride-sharing services have ensured easy movement in rural areas. They are environmentally friendly and operate at low cost. In addition, these vehicles automatically take different routes based on poor road conditions.
Drone taxis and air travel. Air travel in 2050 is no longer a dream. Drone taxis, which are electric and autonomous, fly quickly through city skies, delivering passengers to their destinations. They're useful for avoiding traffic jams and for faster travel. Special takeoff and landing zones for drone taxis have been created in the city, which are completely safe.
That's just a glimpse of what 2050 might look like. If the future excites you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The journey to 2050 has just begun, and we're taking you there, one reel at a time. Stay curious, stay futuristic.
This was today's story. For more such mysteries, science, and future stories, visit the channel. To get new content, keep your eyes peeled and don't forget to subscribe. We are coming again, opening another door to the future.